Stabilization technique for ankle lateral repair. We started surgery with the two anterior portals, classic ones, and we check all the joint. After we remove the damaged tissue and we prepare in the footprint of the ATFL a knotless anchor in the tip of the fibula. And very important when you remove these anchors to cut the nails that you have there. After the first anchor in the tip of the fibula, we put a second anchor, a different one, a knotless, but an anchor that have also a knotless system and also a tape. This is a FiberTech 2.6 anchor that you put 1 centimeter above of the other one. This is very important when you remove the anchor to pull to open this type of anchor. After we check all the shuttles of the anchors. After with this mini scorpion inverted, we try to grab the tissue of the ATFL, the inferior part, and with this system we put all the ligament in the footprint, like you see here, and you go to check if this chunk, the construction is good or not. With the other anchor, we used the knotless system on them, and you go in the superior part of the ligament, and you push the superior part of the ATFL to the footprint, like you see there, and you do little pulls to check if it's the strength of this the construction is good or not. Now the other part, we go to see where is the insertion of the ATFL in the talus. We go to prepare the footprint zone, and we go to prepare a tunnel to use a Swivlock 3.5 there. Like you see there, we try to see this is a good position, and we drill the wall for this anchor. After, with the tape that we pass over that ligament, we go to put the tape, and like you see in the picture in the right, we put the foot in plantar flexion for not to do a huge this is the tape that we use, is like a brace to put the ligament in the right position, and this is like a belt that we build around of the construction that we do. In the end, we go to check with a hook if the tape is all outside of the joint, like you see there, and if the construction is good or not.